Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Next.js. Today we are going to learn navigate between the pages Next.js. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So the main concept of the Next.js is that the navigation, right? So how we are going to define the routes, how the concept of the routes works in the Next.js, we are going to learn. Let's get started. So here we have the app. This is already created in my previous video, so please check out this one. In the app, what we have to create, like suppose I need to have a about page. Okay, then I need to create about. Okay, in that folder I need to create a new one, that is page.tsx. Okay, this file is created. Let's add the code over here, like something hello world or something. So this is about page, hello about page, this is done. Okay, now we have to linking, right? So for the linking part, I have already make this one. In the home one we will add just like this lines. Okay, let's go to our home one. So main page, that is page. Okay, so I'm going to clean all of this main and add our code over here. Okay, so link is required, so this is come from the import link from the next link. Okay, so please add this link, and I need to go with the about, so this is not required. Anchor tag, so just make it a, save this, and let's run this. Already I think compiled. Let's open this link. Okay, so here if I want to, if I want to go to the about, then click on this and it will go to the about page. Okay, so the pattern is for creating such kind of links, that is about page tsx, and I want to create a new page, that is contact, right? So you have to create a contact. Okay, in the contact what we have to do, create a page dot tsx. Okay, let's create this file, and in this file let's add the another one, that is contact. Hi, this is contact page. Okay, so let's add the contact page over here, and in the main file what we have to do, we have to just copy this one about, then make a contact. Okay, so contact, save this, and here we have the contact. Okay, already compiled. Let's go to the page and let's go back, and here you can see we have about and the contact. When I click on the contact, it will go to the contact page. When I click on the about, it will go to the about page. So this is a navigation. So here you can see that we can create navigation like this, or navigate between the pages. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.